Happy Sunday, you guys. So we are back at CVS for the second week of this CVS sales ad with the big hair event. So if you checked your app, you should see that you got a new 10 off 40 big hair event coupon this week. So I'm going to show you guys different ways that you can do it, the same ways that we had last week, that those coupons are still valid if you did not already use them, and then along with some other new deals, because there's a couple new things that popped up where you can combine it with the 10 off 40 scenario that I wanted to show you guys. We also got some new different Ibotta rebates, which resulted in some new deals and also some deal updates that I want to show you guys. So I'll put those towards the beginning of the video and then the repeat deals towards the end of the video. Maybe you didn't go couponing last week. I would say this is a really good week combined with the deals that we have going on and some new rebates with the 10 off 40 hair care scenario. So with all that being said, let's get into the video, and heads up that next week will be a new 2-week ad, and I will be back next Sunday with a new deals video for that. Also, I'll be posting an ad preview on my short form platforms, including here on YouTube Shorts. So if you're not already following me, make sure you're following me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and of course here on YouTube at kaylakoupons, the same way that my channel is spelled across all platforms. Okay, first I'm going to go over all of the different hair care deals that you can throw into a 10 off 40 scenario so that you can kind of combine them together for products that you use or that you want to create your own perfect scenario. The first deal that is working that wasn't supposed to be working per the ad are the Chi travel size heat protectant sprays. In the ad, it says that all of the professional hair care is buy two and you get back a $10 extra buck. It does say exclude travel size, but these Chi are working for it and attaching to the extra buck deal. So you can grab two at $6.99, totaling $13.98. You'd pay that, get back your $10 extra buck, making two of them $3.98. We got a 9 off 2 digital coupon that's working on the travel size Nexus dry shampoos that are $6.79 each. So that would leave you to pay just $4.58 for two of them, and you can combine it with the 10 off 40 hair care CRT. The Harry shampoo and conditioner are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two and you get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab two at $9.99 each, totaling $14.98. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each one, getting $4 back, making your final cost $5.98 for two or $2.99 each. And if you do not already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus when you sign up with my link. The Pert hair care are $5.49 at my store, and we do have $3 Ibotta rebates up to a limit of 5. So you can grab up to 5 of them and they'd be just $2.49 each, plus you can combine it with the 10 off 40 hair care CRT. We also have the Garnier Fructis, that's 2 for $9 and buy two and you get back a $3 extra buck, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $6, get back your $3 extra buck, making two of them $3 or $1.50 each, or of course cheaper in the 10 off 40 hair care scenario. The exact same deal applies to the Garnier Whole Blends, the exact same 2 for $9 sale price, $3 extra buck, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and it is a separate extra care buck promotion, so you're safe to do both deals in your transaction. L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $11 and buy two and you get back a $3 extra buck. You can use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you'd be left to pay $8. Getting back your $3 extra buck would make two of them $5 or $2.50 each. I'm really excited that we have a decent Pantene deal this week because the Pantene deals have kind of been few and far between. Pantene's going to be buy two and you get back a $4 extra buck, so you can grab two of them at $6.29, totaling $12.58. And we do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so you'd pay $9.58, earn back your $4 extra buck, and that would make your final cost for two of them just $5.58. OGX hair care is buy one, get one 40% off and buy two and you earn back a $2 extra buck. So you'd want to grab two of the cheapest ones at $8.29, totaling $13.26, and we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $7.26, earn back your $2 extra buck, making both of them $5.26. If you like Aussie hair care, you can do this deal instead of the Pantene. They are $6.79 each. You want to grab two, totaling $13.58, and we do have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. So you pay $11.58, earn back your $4 extra buck, making two of them $7.58. Nexus is buy two and you get back an $8 extra buck, and it is working for the $7.29 hair masks. So you can grab two of them, totaling $14.58. You'd pay that, earn back the $8, and that'd make your final cost for two of them just $6.58 for both. Otherwise, if you want to grab the full-size Nexus products, they're also buy two and you get back an $8 extra buck. So you can grab two of them with my store's prices at $22.79. Two would total $45.58. And we have a 9 off 2 digital coupon along with the 10 off 40 hair care coupon that you can use on two of these. So you'd end up paying $26.58. Getting back the $8 extra buck would make both of them $18.58. If your store's prices are cheaper, more like the online prices at $20.99, it would be a better deal. Okay, now getting into the 10 off 40 hair care CRT scenarios. In this first scenario, you can grab 2 of the Nexus masks at $7.29 each, 2 of the Pantene shampoos or conditioners at $6.29 each, and then 2 of the Nexus travel size dry shampoos at $6.79 each, totaling $40.74 for all 6 items. And then you can use that 10 off 40 CRT, the 9 off 2 digital coupon for the Nexus, and the 3 off 2 for the Pantene. You'd pay $18.74 and get back $12 in extra bucks. It'd be $8 for the Nexus and $4 for the Pantene, making your final cost $6.74. Okay, and then another scenario is swapping out the Dove and the Elvive for the Pantene deal at $6.29 each, and then the OGX that are $8.29 and buy one get one 40% off. So these 8 items would total $43.84, with the 10 off 40 coming off, the $3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis, the $3 for the whole blends, the $3 for the Pantene, and the $6 for the OGX. You'd be left to pay $18.84. You'd earn back $3 in extra bucks for the Fructis and for the whole blends, $4 in extra bucks for the Pantene, and $2 in extra bucks for the OGX deal, making your net cost for all 8 items in this transaction $6.84. And then in this last scenario, I did the Fructis, the whole blends, 2 of the Chi Heat Protectant travel size at $6.99, and then 2 of the Pantene at $6.29, totaling $44.56. With the 10 off 40 coupon, the 3 off 2s for the both Garnier deals, and the 3 off 2 for the Pantene, you'd be left to pay $25.56. You'd earn back $3 in extra bucks for each of the Garnier deals, $10 for the Chi, and then $4 for the Pantene, making your net cost $5.56. Another way that you can use your 10 off 40s on Conair hair appliances or any hair appliances, they're all spend 40 and you get back $15 in extra bucks. So at my store, with my store's pricing, this Conair straightening iron at $40.59 would be perfect. Using my 10 off 40 CRT, I would be left to pay for this $30.49. Getting back the $15 extra buck would make it a net cost of just $15.49. The Sensodyne Kids toothpaste is $4.99 and buy one get back a $3 extra buck. So you'd pay $4.99, making your final cost just $1.99 after the $3 in extra bucks back. The Scott paper towels and toilet paper are on sale for $10.99 and are buy 2 and you get back a $5 extra buck. So grab 2 of either one, totaling $21.98. I did get a 3 off 2 paper product CRT on one of my accounts that I use the least often, so I'm going to stack that with a 2 off 2 digital coupon. We have one of those for the paper towels and another one for the toilet paper, so either way you can use that. And you'll be left to pay $16.98, and then you'll get back your $5 extra buck, making 2 of them just $11.98. The Tylenol paint patches are buy one and you get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab one at $7.59, use a $3.50 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $4.09. Getting back the $3 extra buck would make it $1.09. Or if your store is like mine, ring it up at the Redbox machine and check the price. At my store, it was ringing up on clearance for $3.79. So using the $3.50 digital coupon, I'm going to be left to pay just 29 cents for this no extra buck deal required. We have such an awesome deal on soft soap and Irish Spring this week. The big hand soap refills, as well as the soft soap body wash and Irish Spring body wash, are on sale for $5.75 each, and they're spend 15 before coupons, and you earn back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 3 of whichever ones you want. You can mix and match or grab all 3 of one if you want. I'm personally going to grab all 3 of the soft soap hand soap refills because it is the highest price item normally. So 3 of those would total $17.25 of whichever you choose. Using the $5 off 3 digital coupon, you pay $12.25. Get back the $5 in extra bucks, making all 3 products just $7.25. Nivea lotion is spend 20 and you get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab one of the skin firming lotion at $13.99 and then one of the 8.4 ounce at $6.79, totaling $20.78. We have a 3 off digital coupon for the skin firming and a $2 for the regular lotion. You'd pay $15.78, get back your $10 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $3 back on the skin firming and $2 back on the regular lotion, making your final cost just 78 cents for both of these. If you do not already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box down below so you can sign up and get a $5 bonus. And if you wanted to, you can also grab just 3 of the smaller size 8.4 ounce lotion at $6.79 each. 3 of those would total $20.37. You could use a $2 digital coupon. You pay $18.37, get back your $10 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each one 3 times, getting $6 back, and then make your final cost for 3 of the 8.4 ounce lotions just $2.37. Aveeno facial care is spend 25 and you get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab this big daily moisturizing cream at $16.99 and this daily moisturizing cleanser at $9.29, totaling $26.28. We have a $5 digital for the moisturizer and a $3 digital for the cleanser. So you'd be left to pay $18.28, earning back your $10 extra buck, would make both products just $8.28. I don't know about you guys, but I am really missing those 5 off 20 Neutrogena and Aveeno skincare CRTs because that would make it such a better deal. Heads up on a potential G word I wanted to let you guys know about. The 4 off 2 Old Spice and Secret CRT that everyone got this week is apparently attaching to just one deodorant. So all you have to do is pick up one, and that $4 off 2 CRT is apparently coming off. I did not try it out today. Let me know if you try it and if it's still working and what time and date that you tried it out to let other people know. But I saw a lot of people posting about it that it is working. So at my store, The Secret are $5.79. You could use that $4 off 2 CRT on just one of them and you'd pay $1.79. Another way that you can use that 4 off 2 CRT would be grabbing one of the Old Spice Classic deodorants. I believe the G-Word deal with the 4 off 2 applying to one product would also work on the Old Spice, making it just 99 cents. I personally am going to grab 2 of them because I still think it's a pretty good deal grabbing 2 of them with the buy one get one 50% off sale price. So 2 at $4.99 would total $7.48 using my 4 off 2 CRT. I'm going to end up paying just $3.48 for 2 of the Old Spice deodorants. Axe deodorant are buy 2 and you get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 at my store. They're a little bit pricier at $6.99, so 2 would total $13.98. And we do have a 6 off 2 digital coupon, super high value digital coupon. So I'm going to be left to pay $7.98, earning back the $4 in extra bucks, makes 2 of them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. If your store has cheaper prices than my store, it would be a better deal. And a heads up that Fetch does have a points back offer. I think mine's 1,500 points back when you spend 15. So definitely remember to always scan your Unilever items into Fetch because usually Unilever items are partnered with Fetch and you might be able to track some of your spend towards that bonus to eventually get your bonus points. Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $3.99 each this week, and they're buy 2 and you get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 totaling $7.98 and use a 3 off 2 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $4.98. After the $4 in extra bucks back, it would make your final cost for 2 of them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. I also want to give you a heads up that the TheraBreath toothpaste is buy 1 and you get back a $5 extra buck. So if that is worth it to do for you with your store's prices, definitely do it. And we did have a $3 Ibotta rebate last week. So I am hoping that that rebate reappears. If it does, this deal would definitely be worth doing because at my store they're $8.59. So with the $5 extra buck and the $3 Ibotta rebate, it would make it just 59 cents, but my rebate did disappear. The Gillette Foamy Shave Cream are $3.79 and buy one get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 totaling $5.68. You'd pay that, get back your $4 extra buck, and that'd make your final cost for 2 of them just $1.68. The Neutrogena makeup is spend $12 and you get back a $7 extra buck. So you can grab the lip mask at $11.99 and use a $3 digital coupon. You'd pay $8.99, get back your $7 extra buck, making it just $1.99. That's a great deal if your store works with the 98% rule. Otherwise, you can grab 2 of the 21 count makeup remover wipes at $6.29, totaling $12.58. Use the $3 digital, you pay $9.58, earn back your $7 extra buck, and then make your final cost for 2 packs of Neutrogena makeup remover wipes just $2.58. Maybelline Cosmetics are buy 2 and you get back a $6 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of the baby lips at $4.99, totaling $9.98, and use a $4 CRT. You'd pay $5.98, earn back your $6 in extra bucks, making 2 of these completely free. Another way that you can do the deal is grabbing one of the lifter liners at $9.99. I've heard great things about these, and pair it with one of the baby lips at $4.99, totaling $14.98. That way you can use a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT along with a $4 CRT, and you pay $7.98, get back your $6 extra buck, making both items just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Bactine is buy one, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab one of these sprays at $8.59. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, and then you can submit to Fetch for 1,000 points back, which is about $1 back for buying one of them, making your final cost just $2.59. If you do not already have Fetch, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. If you do sign up with that link right now, you get a 4,000 point bonus, which is about $4 extra. Again, this week, the Nature's Bounty vitamins are buy one, get one free. So you can grab 2 of the calcium, magnesium, and zinc at $7.59 and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will come off even with the buy one, get one free sale, making 2 of them just $2.59. Alka-Seltzer are buy one and you get back a $4 extra buck. The cheapest product at my store are the $5.99 Alka-Seltzer. So you'd pay that, get back your $4 extra buck, and that would make your final cost just $1.99. Okay, we have an awesome deal on Claritin for my Claritin users out there. Select Claritin are on sale for $19.99 and they're buy one and you get back a $3 extra buck. We do have a $5 digital coupon, so you'd pay $14.99, earn back your $3 extra buck, and then you could submit to Ibotta for a $5 rebate back, making your final cost just $6.99. The Suavitel are buy one, get one 50% off and buy 2 and you get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab 2 totaling $5.38. You'd pay that, and after getting back your $3 extra buck, it would make 2 of them just $2.38. The General Mills cereal are on sale for $2.49 each, so you can grab 2 of them totaling $4.98 and use a $1 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $3.98 and then you can submit to Ibotta for 65 cents back on each one. So you get back 65 cents 2 times, making your final cost $2.68 for 2, or just like $1.34 each. If you decide to grab 2 of the Cheerios, you can also submit your receipt to Fetch for 1,500 points back on 2, which is about $1.50 back on 2 boxes, making your final cost for 2 Cheerios just $1.18 after digital coupon, Ibotta, and Fetch. Select gift cards are spend $50 and you earn back a $10 extra buck this week. These are all the ones that are included from the CVS ad. My store is not tagged yet, but this is a great promotion for picking up gift cards for birthdays or holidays or for yourself to earn back some free extra bucks. Okay, first up this week for what I ended up purchasing, I did the 10 off 40 scenario with the 2 Nexus deals and the Pantene. My 3 digital coupons came off and I was left to pay $18.76. I did use some extra bucks I already had to pay that and then got back my $12 in extra bucks for the 2 deals, making my net cost $6.76. Then I did the Nivea lotion deal, so my 2 digital coupons came off for the Nivea. I used $10 in extra bucks to pay about. So in total, I owed $15.78 between extra bucks and cash. Got back the $10 in extra bucks and $5 on Ibotta, making my net cost just 76 cents. And then finally, I did the Tylenol patch clearance deal and the Scott paper towels deal. So using all the digital coupons, my 3 off 2 for the paper products, my $3.50 for the Tylenol, and my 2 off 2 for the Scott, I ended up owing $17.27 between extra bucks I paid and cash, got back my $5 in extra bucks, making my net cost just $12.27. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. If you did, leave this video a like and a comment, and I will catch you guys next week for a new CVS ad.